Can I get a 180? I think that's what a lot of us are saying right now. Can I get a 180, please? Hey friends, let's talk about Vinco Ventures, BBIG, ticker for that. So first things first, if you know, you know. If you don't, you don't. But I am very bullish on Vinco Ventures. I like the company. I like everything they're doing. Plus every off-branch company, their bread and butter, what they do. Excited about the crypto situation coming up. And we got quarterlies coming up here in a few weeks. So talking about the first things that need to be talked about here. I have been saying the past week, maybe 2 weeks here, that I really think Vinco Ventures is going to take more of a hit here before we get to the end of June here, where we see the crypto situation finally maybe actually happen. It's been about 6 months waiting on that situation. And then we're going to have quarterlies come out too. So I believe, and I think we're seeing it right now, that we're seeing Vinco Ventures. Actually what I was projecting came true. I said I think Vinco Ventures is probably going to hit a 210, 220. We have went below that. Now I'm thinking that we might even hit a 190, 180 maybe. Now, if you're wondering why I'm saying I want a 180, 190, here's what I mean by that conversation. Obviously, I think a lot of us know, if you've been here with Vinco Ventures, you've been watching Vinco Ventures, this stock is not shy to jump 30, 40, 50% in just a 24-hour period with some news. So we know towards the end of June here, the 1st of July, we're going to start to hear about these quarterlies. We're going to hear more and hopefully see completion of the Cryptide company, their off-branch company. And this should all be positive news for Vinco Ventures. Now, quarterlies, we're not expecting much there. Every growth stock, everything down the line right now is not having great quarterlies, so we're not expecting Vinco Ventures to have these amazing, revolutionary quarterlies. It's just probably not going to happen. We're just wanting to stay above water here at this point. But what we are excited about is that we're probably looking at a short trade right now, or buying up Vinco Ventures at a very low price. So that's why a lot of us, including me, are looking for a 180, 190. Now, we might get it this week. We might. I put in a buy order today for I think it was like 195. We did not make it. I thought around like 10:30 we were headed that way. I was like, I might get this actually. But Vinco Ventures shot up a little bit today, trying to get back to a 230 mark, which that's a huge jump. That is a huge jump. Look at that right there. We were falling almost to $2 even, and then, like I said, we just took a huge jump. That's crazy. So friends, I still think Vinco Ventures is a highly traded stock with high volume. Obviously, we're looking for a big push here. We're looking for a big pop. I know there's a lot of us, a lot of people that are saying this is going to have like some small squeeze. I know there's a lot of talks about apes and all that. I'm not going to really comment on that because I don't want to push that narrative that we may not see, but what I do want to focus on is what we do see, and that obviously, more than likely, by the end of June, more than likely, if Vinco Ventures actually holds true to what they say they're going to do with this news, then we're probably going to see a pop to $3 even more easily. So you could easily double your money here, especially if this could fall more and we could grab it at a 180, 190. Fingers crossed, that's what a lot of us are hoping for. Or just the other side of that, fingers crossed that this thing shoots up to a $5, $10 mark. But I'm being realistic here, just so everybody can be in the same ballpark here and we can all see what's going on. So just to kind of wrap this up, I talk about Vinco Ventures almost every day because it's a hot stock right now. There's a lot going on with it, and I think this was a good day, honestly. It looked like it was going south pretty fast, and we ended the day at we'll say 215 to round it up here. It's still moving a little bit here after hours. But Vinco Ventures has played around this $2 high dollar mark here before, and survive the onslaught of the market. And like I've been saying, don't expect much from the market because the market is not going to help or save Vinco Ventures / growth stocks. It is just not helping anything. But overall, the Dow, S&P, NASDAQ, globally, everyone's market opened up pretty good today. I don't know how, because gas prices became even higher and we've had nothing but bad news. But I'm sure tomorrow will be a bloodshed. So that's why I'm saying don't expect to see more, or don't be surprised to see Vinco Ventures fall down below $2 here. So friends, with that, there's no new news. Nothing has come out. Everything's up to date here. We're just watching this. And like I said, I know a lot of us have some buy-in orders here set at around a high dollar mark. Or maybe you bought more today. Maybe you're okay buying this at a 2.5, 2.10 mark. Nothing wrong with that, because I do think we're going to see a walk up here towards the end of June. Fingers crossed, as long as Vinco Ventures does what they say they're gonna do. So friends, with all that, thank you so much for being here. I really do appreciate everyone. I really do hope you have a phenomenal day, phenomenal night. And friends, I will talk to you very soon. Talk to you later, friends. Bye, everyone.